Hi guys, I got an amazing unboxing. Lego Dimensions. I'm sure there's a millions of videos out there already. Um, my GameStop was letting us go in at 10 o'clock instead of 12, which was good because I didn't want to have to wait that long. Um, as you all seen in the picture, I was able to get two more Retro 3 packs, so now I will definitely be doing a video of that tonight. And it probably won't be uploaded till tomorrow. Well, it is what it is, but I also got three other packs, which I'll be unboxing. I got the Back to the Future one, the Portal, and the Simpsons. It was a pricey purchase, but I think it'll be well worth it. So hopefully, the game it lives up to every expectation I have for it. I'm sure it will. You know, I enjoyed the Lego games. So, all right, let's get to it. Of course, I got the PS4 version. Did not want the Xbox One or the Wii U version. So, here we go. Here, it shows other characters that you can play as. It shows different waves, so wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and wave 4. Pretty cool. Whoop. Fell. And then there's the back of it. Pretty cool. So you got Ghostbusters, Lord of the Rings, The Wizard of Oz. I thought that was kind of a weird choice. Scooby-Doo, The Simpsons, Back to the Future, Portal, Doctor Who, DC Comics, Ninjago, the Lego Movie, and I guess Midway Arcade. That's very interesting to see that. I think it's obvious because WB owns Midway, so I'm not too sure like what they're gonna show with that. But as you can see, you can do three different things. There's the Portal. Oh man, it's gonna look sick on PS4. I'm sure it looked okay on Xbox One and the Wii U, but I'm surprised they didn't make a 3DS version for this game. So maybe they just couldn't. Maybe they will later on. Who knows? All right, let's get into it. Cut that tab right there. Kind of sucks. I thought this game was going to come out Tuesday. So I was very surprised. Oh, oops. I'm going to get in the box a little bit. And I even requested Tuesday off, but luckily, unfortunately, I didn't get that day off. So, which is good. I have Saturday off now, so I'm okay with that. Oh, okay. Oopsie. I thought I was going to open up like the Back to the Future and the Ghostbusters one I had, but I guess not. So I basically... Or maybe will it? Oh, nope. Oh. And everything comes out. Okay. So put that to the side. Because I like to keep the boxes. Huh. That's interesting. Please do not return to store. Huh. It is necessary to contact your console to the... Okay, connect to the internet. Okay. That's funny. I find that very funny. They don't want you to return this back to the store. So, okay. So, of course, you got the Lego set right here. And then you got the game. Oh, that's pretty cool. So you got your Lego Dimension game. Shows about the starter packs. That's pretty cool. And then you got a poster. That's pretty interesting. Oh, this is gonna get big. Wow. Oh, it just shows you different types of stuff that's coming out later on. That's pretty cool. Put that to the side with that. But this is still kind of heavy, so I think this is where the gamepad is. Or the thing that they use. So yep, there's the gamepad. Put that to the side. Let's open that up. Well, that's pretty cool. At the bottom, Lego right there on the side, the front of it. So, yep, just a standard USB cable. Okay, cool. Put that to the side. Let's open this up. So this has 267 pieces. Wow. And then it has more of the starter packs. So you got level packs, team packs, and fun packs. I'm gonna assume the fun packs are probably like 10 bucks. The level packs were 30. Team pack maybe 15. I'm not too sure though. Nope. Okay, I did it again. And there's that. Okay. Wow. So there's the instruction manual. I was gonna unbox my Lego DeLorean Ghostbuster one back in August when I got it, and I built it. But I was like, nah, I'll never do Lego stuff like that. But here I am doing Lego stuff. So you got your number 1, your number 3, and of course. And number 2. What is this? Oh, that's lame. Really? Stickers? Come on, Lego. Why don't you just make it be... oh, well. I'll try my best to get those stickers on there. And then, of course, this is where you put... So you can put the Lego on there. So, alright, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm going to have a fun night. Alright. Bye.